The Venus flytrap is a carnivorous plant, native to the southeastern United States. It's known for its unique ability to trap and digest insects. The traps are modified leaves that can snap shut in less than a second. Each trap consists of two hinged lobes, lined with sensitive trigger hairs. The trapping mechanism is so energy-intensive that a trap can only close a few times before it dies. The plant uses enzymes to break down the insect into nutrients it can absorb. The plant is most active during the warmer months and may go dormant in the winter. Venus flytraps can live up to 20 years in the right conditions.